Hey guys, welcome back to Clubhouse Kids. So today's video is going to be a requested video. I'm going to show you how I store my daycare materials and toys. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you know that I do not keep out a lot of toys at the same time, so I rotate a lot of my toys for my 0 to 24 month age. So if you're interested in that, stick around. So the first place that I store some of my daycare materials is in the closet that is actually in my infant toddler classroom. Now I've done a whole video on when I kind of took everything out of this closet and organized it. It was maybe about a year and a half ago. Now since then I have kept that same type of organizational process in this closet, but it's not working very well, so this might actually end up being a Christmas project of redoing this closet. But for right now I'll show you kind of what's in here now. So the idea back when I organized this closet was to try to get everything into this closet. At the time it worked, but now I am back to materials throughout other areas of the daycare. So I might be changing this out, but in here, you know, you can see at the top I keep like my extra pack and play sheets, extra blankets up there, and then some of my larger toys. And then the rest of these toys have been divided by theme, but I think I would like to switch this out and actually divide them by month. And because you can even see some of the buckets that I have changed out. Like this is a start of a bucket on transportation, and so some of the buckets aren't even being used originally what they were. So at first were, like this one I've changed to a lot of just my color stuff. So, but for right now, it works. You know, with daycare, everything is a work in progress. And, you know, as your group changes, you have to kind of change what works. And right now, this is not working that great. So, but I do have a lot of daycare materials in here. The second closet is in my kids' schoolroom. You can see that's the closet that is right behind my desk. And in here is going to be a lot of different materials, not just my daycare materials, but some of my kids' stuff is in here as well. Up here is where I keep a lot of my sensory stuff, so I have those divided by seasons. And then here's a lot of my first graders' manipulatives that she uses during school. There's our science lab stuff gets put in there. And then this is Play-Doh, clay, and sand is in that bucket. In the blue bucket, I have our parachute, bean bags, and I also throw a lot of our bubble stuff in there. This is where I keep all of our DVDs that we use for school. And then I have the start of some more infant toddler stuff. So I have these color and texture puzzles. This is a basket that I keep my day sheets. This pink bucket is actually mostly full of like preschool manipulatives, but since I'm not teaching preschool this year, I went ahead and saved this bucket just in case I grab something out for my toddlers. And then by the end of the year, if I haven't used anything in this bucket, I'll probably just get rid of what's in this bucket. This white basket is where I like to put a lot of my infant toddler stuff that we'll be using throughout the month. And so, but we just might not be using it this week, like the current week we're in. So I kind of store stuff in that bucket. And then here are daycare resource books. And then just like our current folder of lesson plans and stuff goes in there. And then this is a large bucket of a lot of infant toddler workbox stuff that I rotate. So this is the stuff that we might be using like every 3 months. Whereas some of the work boxes, if it's only used during that month, it gets put away for the year. So that goes there. And then over here is just a tub where I keep my pegboards, but we actually have pegboards out right now. And then at the bottom of the closet is a laundry basket, and it is full of my toys, like infant toddler toys that aren't themed. So this is the stuff that I use just to rotate out. The rest of this is just calendar pieces. Down here is just room decor pieces, more posters here, and then some of my kids' Bible binders there. So this is this closet here. So this is my daycare kitchen, and it's just basically our utility room, and so it's not pretty or anything, but over in the corner, kind of by our deep freezer, I keep all of the stuff that I hang from the ceiling in my classroom, and so I just use hangers and just hang them up on this wall, just here. Okay, and then this is a closet that is in my office, and this is probably the main place that I like to keep my infant toddler materials. And you can see that they are just on banker boxes from Costco, and it's just divided by the month, and I like to use 2 boxes per month. And so you can see that I have a start of them in here. Now my plan is to actually get all these into the closet that is in the infant room, because I also, you can see, I have like some of my kids' curriculum and stuff that I keep here as well. So that's basically it, you guys. I just have all my stuff divided amongst those 4 other places throughout my daycare area. It's not the greatest system. I really do want to come up with something better. I think that the closet in my infant toddler daycare room is really, like, the space could be utilized better, and so that I might take that on over Christmas break and try to at least condense some of that stuff out of my office. I do like to use that space for more of my homeschooling materials, but you never know. You know with daycare, you just kind of use what you have, the space that you have. So I hope that gives you some ideas. I will say that a system that has worked very well for many years is that banker box system. Those boxes from Costco are actually pretty big. You can get a lot of materials into them, and it makes it super easy at the end of the month to, get all your resources from that month back into the boxes, put them away, get the new boxes out. So that has always worked very well for me. So if you are looking a way to separate some of your materials into themes or monthly toys and stuff, the banker boxes work really well. So I hope this helped you guys a little bit to give you some ideas, and hopefully I'll have an updated video within the year after I kind of condense and move some stuff around. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!